This is crispy, savory, sweet, spicy, you can name it all, crispy chicken Viet style. Hey guys, welcome to Flavour Fridays. My name is Ryan and today we're gonna make some fish sauce chicken wings. So first of all, you need to marinate your chicken wings. Very important step because if you don't marinate it, you can't get the fish sauce flavor. To that, we're gonna add some fish sauce and also a little bit of white pepper to give it that nice flavor. I would say just marinate it for a good 30 minutes to an hour because if you go over that, it will slightly cook it through. So try not to go over the 3 to 4 hour mark. While that is marinating, you can start with some preparation for the chicken wings. So first of all, you need to cut some garlic. We're gonna toast the garlic later, but first you need to cut it nice and fine. Secondly, we have our garnish, which is our coriander. So for the coriander, just make sure you don't cut it too vigorously. Just enough so that it's nice and fine for you to sprinkle on top of the chicken wings. And last but not least, the hot chilies. So you want to cut the red chilies nice and fine into rings, and then afterwards we leave it at the side and then move on to our quick sauce. So this sauce is based on fish sauce, a little bit of sugar. If you want to be a little bit more adventurous, you can always add palm sugar, which is more of our staple ingredient in Vietnam, and some lime juice. Mix that all together and then later on we will caramelize the sauce a little bit once the chicken is fully cooked. Alright, so now we're gonna start off by dredging our chicken wings in corn flour. You can add a little bit of baking powder, that is fine, but just corn flour is absolutely fine. So dredge it until it's fully coated. So we're just gonna put a couple of wings in and make sure the oil is hot. One thing to check if the oil is hot is take a wooden spoon and just dip it in. And if you see that it sizzle like this, outside vigorously, that means you know the oil is really hot. With corn flour, it's a little bit different because if it's not hot enough, it does get it soggy. So you really need a hot oil when you deep fry with corn flour. So first, I'm gonna batter it. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna tap the excess off, and then here we go. So we're gonna not overcrowd it, maybe around 4 wings to start off with, just to see how much we can fit in. And once you're deep frying it, just let it sit for a while to form that skin and then move it. If I move it too quickly, it will not form that skin that we're looking for. Also, sometimes it might stick, so just give it a light move and just kind of check it if it sticks. So we're aiming to fry these around 5 to 10 minutes. And once it's around slightly golden brown, as you can see, what I would do is turn the heat down to a medium heat so that it slowly fries. So that way your chicken wing is fully cooked. So once you cook your chicken wings, make sure you have a rack and under it a tray with some paper or parchment paper so that you can drip the oil out and make sure it doesn't stick as well.
If you're in the US and you want to buy one of our cool School of Wok woks, just like the ones behind me, then you can just head to the US Amazon store and they're all right there for you to buy.
So once your chicken wing is done, now it's time to fry off your garlic. This is very special because I would like my garlic to be nice and crispy, golden brown. So we are gonna use a frying pan to do so. First of all, you may hate me for this, but we're gonna add a generous amount of oil. Yes, everyone's all about health, but today we're all about the food. So put that on a medium to high heat. The reason why we're doing that, because garlic will burn really fast. So you don't want to put it in a high heat. Once you fry it, you will see that a lot of water vapor will just evaporate, and then you'll get the luscious golden brown garlic. Always have a tray with some paper towel or kitchen towel so that you can dry off your garlic and then get it off the heat as well. So once you're done with the garlic, you can use the same pan And what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring this sauce to a boil. So we're gonna put it in the pan. And then we're just gonna put the heat, in my induction is 7, but at home, just put it medium high. So once you see this kind of boil, then we're gonna take it off the heat. And now we're gonna start dressing our chicken. First of all, I'm gonna add my garlic in. Because what could go wrong with garlic? Oh yeah. Once you add that in, then we're gonna add the sauce. Just get that going. You can just smell that nice glaze and the fish sauce notes. Give it a quick toss so that it's evenly incorporated. Ooh! I hope you didn't record that. Once you're done tossing, you can start plating up. Just add all your chicken wings in the center. Once you're done with that, you see the sauce here? You can always take a spoon and kind of drizzle it through on the top, just to give that extra sauciness. Last but not least, just sprinkle some coriander on the top. Alright guys, this is the end product and it's time to eat some crispy chicken wings. Let's go. That's good. So really spicy, it's a little bit sweet, and the fish sauce complements everything else. You got the garlic, kind of gives it that extra crispiness to the chicken wing. And oh god, this is such a lovely thing to have in the summer, of course. So guys, thank you for watching Flavor Fridays. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please let me know what is your favorite crispy chicken wing.